It is undeniable the China effect into digital dentistry. Price drops, good quality, innovation, really good solutions coming from China. Everyone talks about it, everyone is curious about it, and Dental Tech Expert is going to see it firsthand at Dental South in Guangzhou at the end of the month. But before we talk about it, like, subscribe, do something about this video. Let's talk a little bit about the expectations we have during this show. Actually, it's not about just the show. What I'm really personally curious about is how is China positioning itself on their shows. We've known that China is a huge internal market, and over the past 4 years, they've been targeting a lot overseas. And when you target a lot overseas, of course, you're going to talk a lot about the US. It's the biggest dental industry in the world by far. So what I think we're going to see there, if you asked me the same question 2-3 years ago, I think my answer would always be about cheap solutions. But right now, especially after what Shining 3D did with scanners, with companies like Xdisera and Apsera did for consumables and mills, what I think we're going to see there is really a lot of innovations on a different type. They're not going to be premium innovation, only AI focused. I think we're going to see solutions that focus on productivity, affordability, and being able to scale operations, because that's what I think China is all about, is making really great technology affordable. Of course, it's not going to cover every single aspect of the workflow, but this is my main thing about China technology. It tends to be cheaper than what it's made anywhere else, and it tends to have complete solutions focused on productivity and automation. So if you're going to the show, reach out to us. We'll love to meet you there. If you're not going to the show, like and subscribe and maybe watch the videos.